If you have the goat and the ox, you have the bullying punishment, no? So dito, lack of funds, pwede rin sobra kang fearful, pwedeng nag-overthink. Actually, hindi overthink. Parang mahina ang loob, okay? Ganyan. So if it's in the year, do not go into big ventures, no? Kasi hindi talaga siya magiging okay. Pagka nasa month mo naman, do not do any career moves, no? Kasi hindi siya talaga magiging okay. Kaya mo lang, let it pass, let it go lang. If it's in the day, relationships, actually will not be that stable. So, ibig sabihin, mag-self-love ka muna. Huwag mong hanapin sa iba at saka bawasan ng selos. Baka mamaya, away-away lang yan, no? Duda-duda. Ibang babae pa naman, bagal magbihis, pero ang bilis magduda. So, alis-alisin ang duda because this is not the rightful one. If you have the goat or the sheep actually or the ox in the hour, baka mga opportunities na mapalampas mo, no? Baka may bibiling ka o baka meron ka mga assets, no? O mga amortizations, yung mga investment mo. If you're into stocks, if you are into investments, if you are into crypto, I suggest do not actually sell, no? Just hold kung hindi mo naman kailangan. This is not the right time to be so mayabang and so risky, no?